Good afternoon, friends. I hope you are everyone well. Friends, today topic is we are going to use hash rate, hash card. What is hash card and how to we can use it to increase our hash rate. Friends, what you have to do? First, you have to open your application and go to the hash card section. Here you will see I have Btl card now, but I think you will get a lot of card if you are new miner. If you want to use it, let's start some process. First, you have to go initialize option. You can see here. Click there, and here you can choose 2, 3, 4, 5. But always try to choose the 5%. 5% if you choose, you will get best hash rate. Okay. So let's try to 5 people. And when you select this, click on initialize. You can see here many instruction on downside. Let's click on the initialize option. Hash card exchange engage successful. That means you have started. You have to do some work more. Now click on close button. You can see here you initialize 5 exchange code. Here you can see copy poster option, and you can see cancel exchange. So when here 5 people join total, 4 people, one initials already, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 people. When 4% join through your code, you will receive 1.05k. These are depend on your hash card. It's maybe something increase. Okay. Let's see what I am doing. You can copy your code. Okay. Copy your code, and you have to go this application. I will share this link on my Telegram channel. Okay, I posted it later. Just I am copying this link. Let's see here. Once you open link I have given on my description Telegram channel, it will be redirected to Play Store. The application name is Discord. See here. After you download this application, you have to create an account like Facebook, Gmail. Okay. After you complete all steps, again you have to click my Telegram channel link, what I am posting there. Then it will be redirected to you this core.org. Now you have to do some work more. When you open this app, you have to go last option here, hash card. You can see here exchange hash card. Okay, then click here. Here you will see many people posting. Okay, now let's see what I am doing. You can copy your hash card, or you can take a screenshot. Let's select this photo, and you can write there something about your hash card. See here, my hash card name is BEETL card, BEETL card. I am writing here something, you can write also, see, no problem. Detail called 5 slot available. 5 slot available, otherwise you can add here 5 people. Okay, anyone. Then you can copy this again and paste there. Okay, and you can send here. See here, my name is Sway. Detail card 5 slot available. Okay, when some people join one by one till 5th number, you will see something changes here. See here, now showing here cancel exchange. When 5 people one by one join here, you will see option execute exchange. You will see here execute exchange. That means 5 people join successfully, and you can execute for increase your hash rate. Okay. And I will request you, friend, if you are Satoshi miner, please follow this link. See here. See here, use this link, but you can join only if you are Satoshi register miner. Okay, if you are a miner, please join here. These are my private group. Okay, and who are your down level? If you are joining some people, please help them to guide. I am seeing here many people, they are registered only, and sometimes see here like they are not perfectly mining. Once they have reached 150 blocks, they have to click receive core. Otherwise, their mining will suspended and they will never get profit. Okay, because you have short time now, friends. So please never stop mining and guide your down level. Who are, and you can one more things. Before reached 150 block, you have to click 5-6 hours one time receive core. So their mining will never suspend it. See here the rules. See here what they mention here. The minimum, the mining will automatically suspend it if 150 block have not received. So before reach to 150 block, you have to click receive core. Okay. So please, friends, don't miss this opportunity. I am sure, I am believe it strongly. This is a very great project, and you will feel later what I am saying here. And one more things I will share with you today. Now see here, after open your application, you will see your option white paper. Okay, see here white paper. When you click this, here you will get Satoshi card. Satoshi card means it's a unique card. This will give you best hash rate. Okay, this will give you best hash rate speed. I have used already, but I am just example showing you. If you not used it before, use the same procedure. Okay, here how you have started. Just see now what I am doing now. Next you have to go white paper option, and you have to go last option. See here, you will see like this somewhat. Okay, on your app. I am used already, so I will not get it again. You have to click many times. It will reduce this later, above later. See here, it reduced already. Okay, when you will click many times, something will happen like this. 1 minute. I have a screenshot. I am showing you. Sorry friends, I think I have deleted it or what, I don't know. Yeah, I have got this. Congratulations on found surprised. you have owned a Satoshi card. You have owned a Satoshi card that has been deposited into your hash card. Okay. Once you click here many times, it will open. So you will get like a card, and you have to do same procedure. Once you open this app, you will see here, you will see Satoshi card. Okay. You have to do same procedure. Copy this here, and you have to go same here. Okay. See here, many people joining. See here. Okay. Many people joining and many people increasing their hash rate. Use this battle card. So please follow this step, friends, and enjoy this Satoshi application. And who are not subscribed my channel, please like, subscribe, share, and support me. I will upload many more things. This day uses with Crypto Master. And please, friends, support your down level who are registered already and not yet complete KYC. If they have registered only, they have nothing profit. Okay, I am saying to many times, but what you are doing, I don't know. Anyway, thanks, friend. If you have any question, you can ask me on YouTube channel or Telegram channel, my private Telegram channel. Thank you, friend. Have a good day.